Alright guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this thing cracking because I'm tired of looking at it out here. So I pulled out all the wiring harnesses, pulled them through there. I ordered some new ones, some new harnesses, so it should be good. I'm gonna get this hood off and remove those water heater cores. This guy right here, I'm trying to do I want power steering because I had a 65 Ford Custom, and it was a little rough, you know. You gotta have power steering. So I don't know what this is. Maybe this was air conditioning at one point, but yeah. So I ordered a gas tank because the gas tank, I removed it. I started doing a lot of sanding in here to get rid of this. I'm gonna patch this up here. I think I'm gonna just fully weld in a full blank piece and sand it down because I'm gonna paint in here. Because I could have got it running, but I kind of want to do it right. Not full on right, but somewhat right. And I got all these pieces out. Now they're chrome, but I can't afford chrome, so I mentioned it before. My uncle does powder coating, so I did them white for free. So maybe these, I'll polish them up or change them. So I got these panels here. They're good. They're new, you know, for powder coated, brand new. It's the bed. Yikes. There's the tank. The tank is still good. Even inside, it looked really good, like no rust, like it was empty. So yeah, and then I noticed the top of the truck. I noticed it had looks like basically like red. Maybe it was a cap from somewhere else, I don't know, but it's got that blue. I feel like this is the original because it's right there. It's there, and even under this red you see it. And I want to say, look, even under the white you see it. Perfectly beautiful blue truck, and somebody went and messed it up, so I get to fix all that. Found a guy that'll put the motor together for me. I just don't have the patience right now or the time. I'd rather, focus on this stuff and let them focus on that. I got the battery tray out. This thing was super crunchy, so I think I'm gonna cut this out, weld in a new piece. Safety glasses are ready. But yeah, I want to do power steering on this guy. I have a power steering pump with the FE352 that I have, so I don't know if it's possible if I just change that out. I'll have to do some research, or maybe you guys can tell me. But that's where I'm at right now. If anybody has any pointers for me. I ordered the gas tank from CJ Pony Parts, I believe, and it should be coming. And I ordered wiring harnesses, and probably gonna get the headliner, and I'm gonna do the brake booster upgrade. So if you know which one will work perfect for the 66, let me know. I'm gonna have to figure all this out. There's this here, it's like a little crack. Figure, pull that out, weld that, beat that side down, weld that. Should be good. Thinking about taking the bed off too, so I can, I'm probably gonna have to mount the tank. This looks good except for up in there. But I mean, I don't want a show truck. I just want a good truck with good bones. And my kids want to restore it fully in 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, whatever, when I'm gone. You're welcome to do that. So yeah, that's that. So this right here is the wiring diagram if anybody needs that. That's where I ordered it from. Classic wiring. Here's the motor I got. 352. I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. Well, it had bent push rods, but it was just super gunky. I mean, like gunky. Like it never had an oil change, so got to get that cleaned. And right here I have a lot of other stuff, like, you know, I have the timing chain cover, I have the valley pan, pulleys, balancer. What's that? Oh, motor mount. Hoping all that will add up and jive. Got some sound deadener, cam, valve covers, powder coated, other things. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Send me your ideas and where to get parts. I have the seat. The seat is good. Right here I have a lot of other stuff. Stuff that don't belong in there. Let's see. We got all motor mount stuff, fuel pump. All this was connected to it. Power steering. These I believe are no good because I broke that one there. There's a good one, broken one, also that bottom one. So I'm just keeping them because, but I'm pretty sure they're not good anymore. There's a carburetor, water pump, distributor. So, but none of it might not even be good. So I don't know. Let me know. Send me your, pick your brain. Send me whatever you got, info. Help me out. Let's get this thing rolling again. Well, I didn't even mention this. I got the transmission here. Can't really see that. It's a C6, or I believe it is. Fully red transmission fluid in there. There's the torque converter plate, flex plate. I think that's what it's called. But yeah. Whoa. We got cats up there hissing at us. Okay, yeah, this is the seat right here. Well, I don't think there's. I don't want to lift it because it's been raining, but yeah, the seat's good. It's red, but we'll figure that out later. So, see ya. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I have the rocker arms too. They were pretty bad, rusted up and everything. But I know it looks like I'm not trying, but I'm trying. I just don't know enough. Hence the name. So yeah, I want to say these are good. These I can get these. Matter of fact, a little some uncle too, so he can because I see some nice good shiny under that, so he can sandblast them for me. But yeah, let me know what you think. Send me your ideas. I think this is the last time I say that, and help me out.